everybody, welcome back to Saladin 7 Kids, and today we are making fluffy slime. And so you need Elmer's glue. You can use white glue, clear glue, glitter glue. We're using glow-in-the-dark glue, so that's fun. Contact solution, water, baking soda, shaving cream, and if you're using white glue or clear glue, you can also add food coloring, but our glue is already colored. So the first thing that we need is to put the glue in the bowl. So, Mary, do you want to do that for us? Great. Thank you so much. And now we are going to add a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So in goes a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we are going to stir that in with a plastic spoon so it's nice and combined. Stirring with a spoon. And that's pretty good. We are going to add shaving cream, like 2.5 cups or so. Do you need to shake it? Okay. And just spray all that in. And this is what makes it fluffy. Now we stir that in. You want to do some stirring, Mary? Yeah. There we go. It looks like a cloud. It does. Very puffy cloud. My turn. Maybe we should get like a mega plastic spoon that are like super big. This is where you would add the food coloring, but we're not. We just want a very pale blue. Now we're gonna add our contact solution, which is what's gonna kind of bring it together and really make it like slime. So just a little bit at a time. And then once it's not super sticky and you can like poke it and it's not super sticky, start like using your hand to bring it all together and keep adding contact solution. Now, keep adding contact solution. Just kind of mix. We did it! It's slime! Let's see how stretchy is it. It's very fluffy slime, but that was the point. It kind of breaks, but that's okay because it's fluffy. The fluffiness makes up for it. It's still a little bit sticky, so we're still going to put a little bit of contact solution in there. Ooh. Don't you? It feels like a cloud. Actually, I don't know what a cloud feels like, but it's. Ooh. No more sticking anymore, which is good. So this means you're done. And then you just play with it. Super easy, super fun. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. And that's all. Have a good day. Goodbye.